How can you put it? Put some breadcrumbs on cake. Ganun ba yan?
Tapos na ano?
No.
Paulit-ulit lang naman to.
That is my son.
I have another version. 1 second.
Ah.
Medyo pa tayo.
Okay. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ikaw na.
Day.
Okay. Ayun na.
Tapos na.
Isa pa ba?
Alam mo, mabilis yung konti.
Happy birthday.
Eh, ganun lang ang
Ano ba yan? Oh, sige na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! Wish.
Wish na itan.
I
I
know.
know.
Sleep.
$1 million loto.
What are you doing?
so much.
Yay!
What about Nadine?
How about Noah?
No?
What about Noah? You want?
No, you want Nadine.
Yeah.
Okay, Nadine, sit down.
Madeline, because that.
Okay, Natalie next?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you blow twice.
It's not my turn, my turn.
How you blow though? Yeah, you blow the crispy thing last time.
Isn't my birthday 50?
No, your birthday
So
was
now we have to
September.
add 10 more candles for the bacho.
It's September.
Yes, September.
Wait, take one candle out.
10, 11, 2 candles out.
Oh yeah, two
Okay
candles.
lang yan.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
that's one
Ah,
In 3 months time, your
Let's go.
birthday.
Okay.
Alright.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Wish.
So you guys are twins, huh?
Wish.
Okay, huh? You also make
Wow.
$1 million.
Oh, there's no more.
Si Noah gusto.
Who's next?
Noah?
How are you next? Next,
Okay.
Noah? Noah!
He's gonna try. Okay, Noah.
How many
Noah's
candles do you want,
turn.
Noah?
You want all candles?
Just one
How old are
candle.
you, Noah? 6, 5.
5.
Okay, we just lighted the 5 candle, okay?
And then,
Okay, okay.
Hanap ko.
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip,
Hooray!
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Make no.
Nasaan na ba?
Oh, this is wish. To blow candles.
Yay!
Ang galing Noah.
Okay, tapos
Eh, ang galing.
Okay,
Noah.
tapos di.
Nice.
Okay, get the
job.
knife.
Who's next?
Ah,
I think Natalia.
Oh, my birthday's already passed. Yeah.
Ayan.
okay, now it's
Natalia's birthday is gone. Just, we're gonna
Whose
wait
birthday
for
coming
next
up next?
year.
you.
Angelo.